Isn't it so cute? The door closes like that. I can't cry again. I'm crying. Good morning, my loves. I'm about to get ready for the day, and today's gonna be so exciting. I'm a sucker for anything holiday related, Christmas related, and I don't think I've done a little Christmas vlog since I was a literal fetus. I think I was still in high school. Okay, so y'all know I'd be doing my signature eye look on the daily, but yesterday I tried doing it with brown eyeliner and I really liked it. I love how kind of soft it looks, and I think it also looks nice without lashes on, but I'm putting on lashes today. I feel like the I'm cold makeup is very fitting for today, and it's basically just putting a shit ton of blush on. Oh, I think I put too much. My hair was a little bit greasy, so I thought I would take advantage of that and do this little hairstyle. Isn't it so cute? I feel like a cutie. I also feel like a little baby right now, but that's okay. Like, even with my puffer jacket, I look like a baby that's going to the snow for the first time, and I'm just like, does that make sense? I don't know, I just feel really cute today. Ta-da! I just got the Super Puff from Aritzia in the mail, and I just wanted to wear today. I mean, I'm a California girl. I mean, yes, it's only gonna be 62 degrees, but yeah, I'm gonna wear a puffer jacket. Today's outfit is nothing revolutionary because we're not going outside much today. We're just going to be going to Target and do some grocery shopping and then come home and be festive, you know? They don't have the sprinkles we want. It's 3:30 and I can't believe just shopping took that long, but now we're back home and all I want to do is get into PJs and do some fun things. So, go here. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa, that was crazy. I can't do that.
I've actually been really into matching sets lately for PJs and in general, so yeah, if you want to get me some more Christmas gifts, that'd be great. Do you want a matching set? Do you want a matching set? Oh, you're big. Big girl. We didn't get too many holiday things from Target, but we got this extra wrapping paper and gift tags and ribbon. Then we got treats for my dog at my parents' house, and we also got him a little like stocking with a lot of toys, but I think it fell out of the elevator or something like that, and we just tried to look for it and I think someone stole it, so that's a bummer, but I guess we could just get another one. But yeah, mostly I think today we just did a lot of grocery shopping. Okay, the first activity we're doing today is this Lego set. Isn't it so cool? I actually got it for free because yesterday was me and Martin's 3-year anniversary sleigh. So I got him a Lego set, like a Porsche, and it came with this as well. What even is it?
Santa's Workshop.
Oh,
I just said it's right there.
Santa's Workshop. I'm kind of nervous about it though because I don't think I've ever really done like Legos. Like, I think I've only played with like a big tub of Legos. Bold of me to think I can do this when I have these nails. This is only the first movie. We have 2 more to go. Hotties, we finished! Ta-da! This is actually so exciting. And look, it goes da-da, da-da. And the door closes like that too. These ones move as well. Oh my god! This is so awesome. Please don't eat it. Hey! Is this your house? Hey, you look like Godzilla. Please don't eat it and choke. Mommy doesn't want to pay for vet. Mommy doesn't want to pay for vet. You're a menace. You're on Santa's bad list. It's okay, guys. We'll hide it from her at nighttime. She won't eat it. You can see that it's dark now. That took us about 2 hours. But also yesterday we went to this really cool carnival thing. It's called Winterfest, and we went ice skating and everything like that. So I'm gonna put in some vlog clips there because it was so fun.
Christmas Day this year, I've got a plan, it's gonna be so lovely. On Christmas Day, my dear, I'm gonna get down on one knee. On Christmas Day this year, I'm gonna give my love a golden ring. On Christmas Day, my dear,
And I see people fall, I get stressed.
on Christmas Day this year, on Christmas Day this year.
Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making gingerbread cookies. I have this really easy mix from Trader Joe's because, girl, I cannot bake. I mean, I do like to bake, but I think for gingerbread cookies today, I'm more excited about decorating them than actually baking them. So we're being lazy today. That's okay. I actually recently learned that I like gingerbread. I don't know, I had this weird thing about it. I thought it would taste straight up like ginger because I hate ginger. But gingerbread is good. She's good. It smells good.
Whoop! Look at butter.
I'm really bad at cracking eggs. Okay,
Good job.
yeah. No, this movie, because it makes me so sad. This movie makes me so sad. No. Wow, it's coming together, I think.
Scarves and sweaters bundled up in cotton, knowing
Ew, it looks like a
that
poo.
wouldn't be forgotten, laughing over our own sense of humor underneath the Christmas lights that glow. I'm glad I got to know better.
Look at all the cute little cookie cutters we have. We have so many shapes, but I didn't know it was gonna be like this little dough. Ah! Woo.
I want to do this gingerbread.
Yay! They have friends.
Under 1,000 Christmas lights. Another year went by so quickly, it's Christmas time again.
First batch.
Even though we both get busy, we still have time to talk for hours on end.
Oh,
Oh, they don't look that bad. They look cute. I think they look cute.
they're just a little fat.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're huge. We have to wait for the cookies to cool down before we start decorating so it doesn't melt everywhere. But now we're gonna take this time to wrap some presents, which is actually so fun. I love wrapping gifts. This first thing I got my dad was cologne. It's YSL. I still need to get him other things, but he's such like the dad that's like, I have everything. I want nothing. Ah, the best feeling is when you're cutting wrapping paper and then it goes like. For my sister, part of her gift is this PJ set, and you actually saw me wear this in the beginning of this video, and I love it so much, and I think she would like it too, and I think this video is going up before Christmas, but I'm honestly not worried because I don't think my family watches my YouTube. Also, I don't have lashes on because I cried for the 3rd time today, but it's okay. I didn't cry because I was sad. I was crying because I was laughing so hard. But we were dying. It was so funny. Let's decorate some cookies! Look at them! Aren't they cute? That was so fun. Which was your favorite?
I think I did the best on this one.
Yeah, I love your kitty one. I think my favorite one of mine, my angel. Oh, really ginger. In terms of decorating our first apartment together, my last little vlog included us decorating the tree, putting in some Christmas decor like you see right there. But a new addition are these stockings. We have one for Martin, one for me, and then one for our baby girl, Suki. That's you. She's so big now, huh? But yeah, today was a long day and I'm ending the day off with some tea in my little Christmas mug. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I'm really excited to celebrate the holidays. Happy holidays to everyone and Merry Christmas if you celebrate, and I love you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, say bye.
C'est l'histoire d'une fille pas trop compliquée pour une fois. Cherchant l'impossible, elle trouva que c'était une bonne idée.